Hey guys, Madhav here. Today, I'll be taking a look at the latest OS port for a Redmi Note 7 Pro. And I'll be also showing you guys how to flash it at the end of this video. So stay tuned for that. So here we are with yet another OS port. As you can see from this about page, this is based on the latest Open Beta 14 for OnePlus 7, based on Android 10 and with May's security update. Like always, it's buttery smooth, app opening speeds are great, no surprise there. But what makes this build stand out is the fact that it supports encryption. Now if you want to stay decrypted you can, but I personally prefer to be encrypted because you will need that for work profile and stuff. And also, this build passes both CTS and Widevine L1 too, so that's great. Then there's the subtle changes like the volume panel being on the right side. No kidding, but it was a bit annoying to see it in the left side. And there's also a warp charging animation when you plug in your phone. Not a big thing, but well, it looks good. Double tap to wake up works as well as ambient display. By default, it comes with a dewdrop or the V-shaped notch. But if you want, you can also change that back to the U-shaped one by going into developer options and changing the notch cutout option. And I almost forgot, Dolby works well in this build, and as far as the difference goes, it does feel more clearer and crisp. Almost all the basic stuff works, including face unlock. VoLTE works fine as you can see, as well as fingerprint and SD card. Basically, this is by far the most stable build I have used. All the minute bugs have been fixed, including the keyboard padding issue. As for the bugs, doesn't quite matter I guess, at least for me. One is the data SIM switch tile, which is not something new, it was always like that. The other bug is that you cannot turn on hotspot and Wi-Fi together. Not a big deal too I guess. Now that if you want to flash this in your phone, you must have your bootloader unlocked and have a custom recovery like Orange Fox installed. Before you flash this ROM, make sure you are decrypted first. If you're not, just flash the fcrypt zip. Then go to wipe section, select cache, dalv cache, data, system and vendor. Then wipe it. Flash the ROM zip and after that flash either the encryption or the decryption zip as per your wish. This is very important as otherwise the phone won't boot. Then reboot. If you're taken back to the recovery, go to manage partition and format data and that's it. The first boot might take some time. That's pretty normal. So that was it for this video. Hope you liked it. If you did, hit the thumbs up button. Also subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon if you wanna see more videos like this.